Hi, this is the September 10th Language Arts Zoom meeting recap. We will jump right in. Okay, so what we worked on today was first the vocabulary words for the bad seed. And a lot of you wanted to hear that story again. So I will post that video again after this recap. So when I present it, let's see, present. All right, so we have 5 words that go along with the bad seed. We said the bad seed, we remembered a few things, like the bad seed was bad. He was rude. He did things like cut in line, and he said mean things. These words kind of go along with the story. So the first word is holler. Holler means to cry out, yell, or shout. We have a motion to go along with holler, which is, so practice that. Holler means to shout out, yell, or cry out. All right, next word. Glare. Glare means to stare at in an angry way. Here is the motion that I suggested for glare, which is squinting your eyes and angrily staring. Let's practice again. We had holler, glare. Next word, thud. Thud means it is a sound. It is a dull and heavy sound made when something falls. So the picture that they gave was this girl falling onto snow. When she falls, it's going to be hard, but we won't hear a crash sound. We will hear a thud. So the motion for thud is just like that. Thud. All right, let's go through them again. Holler, glare, thud. Next word, mumble. Mumble means to say something quietly where it is difficult for others to hear. Okay, so a motion for mumble would be like this. Because when you put your hand up to your mouth and try to talk, hi everybody, it is mumbling my words. So, again, holler, glare, thud, mumble. Last one, droop. Droop is to bend or hang down. So we notice that these flower petals are drooping. So a motion for droop is, first they were alive and happy, and they're drooping down. So let's go through those one more time. All right, we got holler, glare, thud, mumble, droop. Good job. All right. The next thing that we did today was we went over our morning message. So I will run through that with you really quick too. Why are fish so smart? The answer was because they live in schools. Now I attached a video to this picture, but it did not transfer when I switched it to Cami. So we watched a little YouTube video about why fish swim in schools. That is on YouTube. I can also share that video on the assignments today. This one was, are you feeling happy, excited, proud, worried, or sad? So I just wanted you to fill in using either the highlighter or the drawing tool and just filling in one of these spaces, just like that. The weather today, we talked about that it was foggy out, and it is still foggy out. Some people said maybe the sun will come through, but I don't know. I haven't seen the sun yet today. So I'm going with cloudy, foggy, and a little sprinkly mist rain. All right, yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and tomorrow is Friday. Yay, Friday kind of came fast this year. So this week. Oh man. All right, so again, yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday, and tomorrow will be Friday. We circled the 10th because today is September 10th, 2020. All right, today is the 8th day of school, so we placed 8 squares inside of the ones. This was a new page, so we did it during class, so it might have already shown up as done on your morning message today if you hadn't done it before the Zoom meeting. Go ahead and trace over the word 6 again using a different color. Place different colored dots over top of my 6 dots in my tens frame. We did decide, I guess I didn't circle it, that this number is an even number. Okay, it is an even number because every square has a partner. They're even. And then our tally marks. This tally mark looks like this because it represents 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we put a 6. An equation that we did was 1 plus 5 equals 6. So this is a new page, number of the day. And then your warm-ups. All right. All right, and then lastly, this is your sentence writing that you will work on today. I put a question in the blanks and we answer them by writing a sentence to go along with the question. So the first question was, can I play a game with you? And our response was, yes, you can. So we wrote, yes, you can. We are using our sight words. Those are the words in red. You, was, he, is. And so here is the word you. You got to make sure you use at least one of these words in your sentences. The next question was, is he wearing sunglasses? Yes, he is. So we wrote, yes, he is. There are 2 more questions. Can I eat the cake? And where did he go? A hint to help you with this. To delete a sentence, click on any word in the sentence 3 times. I taught you the double click. Click, click. This is a triple click. Triple click. Click, click, click. Really fast. I'll show you. So if I go over this sentence and I don't want it there anymore, I would choose either yes, you, or can. I'm going to choose you. I'm going to make sure it's highlighted on it, and then I'm going to go click, click, click. And I highlighted the whole thing. If I click on the delete button on my keyboard, it'll take it all away. And that's okay if you get rid of the number. I don't need the number there. I need to see your sentence. Okay? So there are a few directions down here. Read the question, write a sentence using your sight words to answer the question. You will need to delete the question before writing your sentence. And also write your answer or write your sentence on a piece of paper first to practice your handwriting. Okay, so write your sentence first and then type it into the computer. All right, so that was all for today. That was our recap. Everything that we used today will be in that folder. Let me stop sharing. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will be glad to help. I will see you tomorrow for math.